Hello, let's see how we can add a photo to Circle. Below the video you will find the link. Click View Template and log into your Canva and click Open in Editor. And now you will find a circle. Now you can go to the elements and you can enter, for example, woman or man, choose photos, and you can choose any photo you want. Just take the photo and drag it into the cycle. Double click, and you can adjust position. You can resize the photo and adjust position. And when it suits us, click Done or click just near the design. You can upload your own photo. You can open your folder, just take the photo and drag it to Canva. Now, your uploaded photo, you will find on the left side menu, Uploads and Images. If you want to add more photos, you can click Shift button, select photos and just drag it to Canva. All uploaded photos you will find on the left side menu, Uploads and Images. Now you can take the photo and drag it into the circle. Double click and adjust position. If you want to download your photo, you can go to the Share button, click Share, Downloads, choose File Type PNG, select Current Page, and click Done and Download. And you will find your photo into the Downloads folder. I hope you liked this quick tutorial. Don't forget like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, click link here in the description. See you!